Hey guys, today I'll show you how to remove a white background or basically any white color from your clip like this. Let's get started. So here's the clip I'll be working with. Now let's head over to the Fusion page. With the media in node selected, open the search tool by pressing Ctrl+space. Then search for Luma Keyer and click on Add. Now head over to the inspector panel and simply click on Invert to reveal the subject. Next, go to the contract parameter and drag its value down to -1. Then, under the channel section with luminance selected, reduce the high value slowly until the white background fades away. I'm going to slightly increase the blur to soften the edges. One quick tip, if tweaking the luminance isn't giving the best result, you can adjust the saturation instead. First, I'll add a plain white background clip, disconnect the media in, and connect this new one. Now you'll notice that some areas still aren't completely transparent. So I'll go to the channel dropdown, switch it to saturation, disable invert, set the contrast to 0, and start tweaking the saturation parameter until it looks clean. Now let's head back to the edit page. I'll drag another clip onto the timeline and place it right under our keyed clip. And that's it. Hit play, and you're done. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and don't forget to tap the bell.